Hi guys, so in this video I have this little DJI Action 5 Pro little action camera that is the best one you can find on the market as of today. And in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the subject tracking mode on your DJI camera. Okay, so to do this we need to turn on our camera and then we need to locate this little camera icon in the left bottom corner of your screen. Now once located, you want to tap on it once, and then you want to slightly scroll to the right once and twice, okay, to find the subject tracking. Now it says that the camera will track the subject automatically after recording starts. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to find a person in front of your camera. Okay, so if the face of some person will appear in front of the camera will show you, oh, you can see it currently tried to locate my hand as if it was some face because it recognized a human hand. Okay, so it will show you with this yellow square that it found an object, and once it's found it, you can try to start recording, and then it will try to kind of follow the object. Even though the camera cannot move, it will still try to follow it, yeah, by slightly changing the perception of the video. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.